Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Power up the noise watch and confirm it has charge. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Open the Noise Companion app. If you don't have it, install it now, because the app handles firmware and permissions. Once done, keep the watch close to the phone and choose Pair or let the phone scan for nearby devices. This first phase ensures devices can see each other and that the app can request necessary permissions for a stable connection. Now you handle the middle steps. Select the exact noise device name from the phone list, matching the model or serial shown on the watch. When a pairing code appears, confirm it on both devices so you authenticate the link securely. Make sure to grant permissions, notifications, contacts, or location, because the app needs them to sync alerts and health data. If a firmware update is offered, install it. Updates often fix bugs and improve battery life, which prevents connection drops later. Finish by allowing the initial sync to complete and then test core features. Receive a notification, make sure call alerts appear, and confirm step or heart rate data updates. If something fails, restart the watch and phone first. This often clears transient Bluetooth glitches. If restarting doesn't help, forget the device in phone Bluetooth settings and repair from scratch. For persistent issues, reset the watch to factory defaults, clear the app cache, then repeat pairing. This removes corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.